everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give y'all a good haul from Ikea. As y'all saw my last video, I went to Ikea for the first time ever, and I got this bag full of stuff for 20 something dollars. $24.65. I hope y'all can see that. $24.65 for all my items for Ikea. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Not sure how much things cost, but I got this cutting board, and this is a good cutting board. I think it was not sure. Let's see. I don't know. I think it might have been $1.99 for this cutting board. I got these tea lights, and they tea light holders, and they look like this, and they were 49 cents a piece. And I got 6 of them. And then I got this little scrub brush. This was 49 cents. It's got a little hook on it, and thought it was cute. They didn't have too many colors because they were just about gone. I have these little items. This was $1.79, I think it was, for this little spatula, tongs, and the spoons. Excuse me. I also got these hangers. These hangers were $1.79 for a 10-pack, and these are good. When I say can you get, these are good hangers. These are like sturdy, not gonna break on your hangers. I have 2 of those. I also got these nice smell good candles. These were $1.99 a piece. I got 2 of those. I also have the candle holders that you put those candles in. These were 99 cents a piece. I got 2 of those for my candles. See, it's nice to put your candle in there. It's cute. I like it. And my total was $24. And all this stuff is good, nice quality material. You can really go in Ikea and rack up on some items. If they have everything. If you have an Ikea in your area, you probably already know what I mean. But of course, I can never do a vlog here without somebody talking. But I went to Ikea. But I also have a bonus for y'all. I went to Walmart today. And y'all know it's right after Christmas. Today is December the 28th. And I went to Walmart. And they had these sets like this for $5. Do you see how many knives in here? Covers and all, scissors. $5. They also had baking sets. They also had like spoons, spatulas, tongs, whisk, all that. $5. Run, and this is Better Homes and Garden sets. Run to your Walmart and go get this. I really enjoyed myself today on my little road trip or whatever. But Ikea, and I got me a calendar. Oh yeah, and then I had to pay for this bag because if you've never been there, it's almost like Aldi's where they don't have bags. This bag is huge. It's huge. It holds a lot of items. So, and the bag was like, I think it was $1.49 for the bag, and I probably utilize it for something else. But that was very exciting. I really liked that bag and everything. So But I'm very happy with all my purchases. I will be going back to Ikea. I will be shopping at Ikea online. I've seen some things in there that I absolutely want. Um, when I get a little bit more money, I will be ordering some stuff. So, just wanted to share that with y'all. For anybody who's never been to Ikea before, it was amazing. But again, I'm gonna hop off here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you can leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.